Hi, everyone. My name is Will, aka Dr. Financial Literacy. Again, I am a political economist. I am not a certified planner. I'm not an attorney, or I'm not a any type of marketer. One of the things that I wanted to do was look at velocity banking and accelerated banking, and I wanted to come on to explain the concept that I'll be using and that I will be working on in order to reduce my debt, work with clients, and improve the quality of life of others. So for me, velocity accelerated banking refers to the use of behavior, attitude, skills, and knowledge to manage financial resources efficiently, effectively, and equitably within a capitalistic democratic society. Again, for me, my definition of velocity, accelerated banking, or what I call VAB, refers to the use of behavior, attitude, skills, and knowledge to manage financial resources efficiently, effectively, and equitably within a capitalist society. So, with that in mind, VAB is kind of a lens. It's kind of a set of glasses of how I view the world in terms of reducing debt, how it has helped me to reduce my debt, improve my credit, obtain a HELOC, reduce my credit cards, and also help me to secure my first home. So I'm the first in my family to own a home, and it was through VAB and the principles of velocity banking and accelerated banking. So I developed VAB as a way of a lens of looking into the world. As I stated, VAB has three components. It has one of velocity banking in terms of putting all of your resources to some degree into a debt instrument, which can be used to reduce your debt, using debt to reduce debt. I know it's kind of a broad definition, but there's others on the web. Accelerated banking. Accelerated banking also uses tenets or similarities with velocity banking, but it also looks to chunk large amounts of capital onto a debt. For example, if I had a $200,000 home, I could take out a line of credit for $20,000, chunk that $20,000 onto the debt, and then pay down that line of credit with my checking, with my salary, or with any other type of income. An aspect of both of these that I'm adding is power. Power to provide access to capital that allows you to do velocity banking or accelerated banking. Not all groups have the same level of access to power so that they can do these things. Therefore, I'm developing or trying to continue to develop velocity accelerated banking so I can bring all three together, look at power, and see how power also operates across the financial sector. In getting a home, not all groups have historically had the same access to homes. More recently, articles have indicated that different groups, when they go to sell their homes, they may get a different price for the home had it been other groups within our capitalist democratic society. So that's just one of the things that I'm working on. And also as I work with clients to help them improve their credit, their debt, and just improve their quality of life in general through helping to reestablish their financial resources to utilize their financial resources. Now, as another example of what I'm trying to build, it's also called, it can be seen as a model. So from the lens to the model, these are kind of ways that social scientists or researchers such as myself look at things in society. So VAB is a broad concept. is a model that I'm building. So VAB is a model. Okay, and a model has certain characteristics that are similar to things in the real world. So if we look at Santa, Santa is a model. He has certain features of what we have come to expect in society. Black boots, some red pants, um, maybe a beard, also wearing a red hat, kind of plump, maybe jolly. But these are all characteristics that we have come to expect of Santa. So this Santa represents a model, just like VAB and what I'm developing is just a model. It may not represent the real world, but it's going to take certain things from the real world and try to use them to understand velocity banking and accelerated banking so that I can bring it to my clients, bring it to various communities, and help to better understand some of the challenges around velocity banking and accelerated banking. So again, that's just what I really wanted to try to accomplish today, is to set out my concept of VAB, velocity accelerated banking, and it looks at the behavior, attitude, and skills of individuals as they manage their resources efficiently, effectively, and equitably from a communal aspect of helping others in their community, and also from an individual perspective. From the communal perspective that I'm operating, helping individuals that may not have the resources to start velocity banking, but can benefit it. So I'm taking my own resources, providing small loans to help individuals bridge the gap and to understand velocity banking in general, especially groups that are challenged in understanding this concept or even getting used to it. So thank you again for stopping by, and hopefully if you have any comments and would like to contribute to understanding VAB or making it happen, please just leave the comment or give me a call. If you'd like to work with my team, you can always give me a call anytime or shoot me a email. All right, thank you very much. You have a great day.